Hey everybody, Taylor with KC here, and today I'm out in Ocotillo Wells and I'm installing our brand new Jeep TJ overhead mounts onto this 2000 TJ. As you can see, I already went ahead and installed those overhead mounts onto the TJ because it's really only 3 bolts per side, so I didn't want to waste everybody's time by showing that process. Now on top of those brand new mounts, we're going to be mounting the KC Crossbar, which is one bar that goes across the top of the Jeep, and then you can mount different light options to it. So let's go ahead and have a look at how we mount lights to the crossbar and then put the crossbar onto the brand new TJ overhead mounts. So the first step in the crossbar assembly is to install the lights. Now it depends on whether you have a 5 light, a 6 light, a 7, or an 8 light system that you're going to be running on the crossbar. But depending on which system we're going to be running, there's a guide that we have published online in the instruction section of our website that tells you exactly what the spacing needs to be on the different light setups in order to get them perfectly spaced and make them look good on the top of the vehicle itself. So we're doing 6 light install, so we're going to be following that guide as you'll see here.